Horn button. Horn button. All right. Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys for clicking back on another video. So today we got a little install video on the gs300 / USDAristo. I'm gonna go pick up the hub right now. I'm gonna be installing Serial 9 HKB hub with my aftermarket steering wheel. It came yesterday. But I had to go to work, so by the time it came, I was already at work, and so they couldn't leave it there because it was too big of a package, so they just sent it back to the post office. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm finna go pick up this package and do a quick little review on it, and then install it, walk you guys through the process on how to install it and everything. And that's pretty much it for the day. But I want to say thank you. We now have 30 subscribers actually on the YouTube channel. So we got 30 subscribers. Posted my video about 3 weeks ago. Got like 150 views. I'm very appreciative. Thank you. So gonna be more bangers coming, more vlogs, more car installments, more parts that's getting put on, just showing you guys the whole build, the whole process of what I'm doing with the vehicle. But yeah, I really hope this hub is like really good. I watched one video on it on how to install it and stuff from Serial 9, so really excited to see how it is and shit like that. So yeah, and then I got like 2 wheels now. I picked up this one off OfferUp. It's like a Naruto steering wheel for like $70. It's clean, Alcantara, brand new. So I might be putting that one on. I probably will be putting that one on today. And then I have this other steering wheel I got from Facebook Marketplace for like $50, just so I could throw the hub on with the wheel, you know. But I seen that wheel for $70. I said I couldn't pass up that deal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, good thing about the post office, it's not that far from my house. Hopefully they let me get it, because I forgot that pink slip that was in my mailbox. I probably could just show them the receipt through the phone. So with my ID, everything matches up, so they should be able to let me grab it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will get back to you guys when I get the piece, and we'll do a little overview together. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so look, already unboxed it because I was too excited to look at it. But boom, came with the hub, came with some screws so you can attach the wheel, and then it came with the resistor for the airbag. So that's a plus. That's why I bought this kit. Then it came with the little connector for the air horn, and then not the air horn, well, the horn. And then I guess this little ring goes right here in case your horn doesn't fit. So we got that. Really, you got, if you have a gs300, gs400, gs430, or an Aristo, 0202 is the one you need, really. So the parts you would really need to install all of this would be an impact 17 for the, gotta get that 17, but the 17 for the nut, the middle nut. Then you need a torque 30 for the side pieces, and then you need a little screwdriver. Not a screwdriver. Little flathead, so you could get all the trim pieces and stuff out. But this is the wheel I'm gonna be installing. This Naruto wheel. Bought the DMD horn button. Yeah, bought the DMD horn button. Clean little wheel. Boom. It's the wheel I was talking about. I got off Rub for 70 bucks. What a steal. So boom. Now let's get to installing this thing. Okay, so now we are doing the install. So first things first, there are gonna be 2 cover pieces you take off. So boom, there's gonna be a T30 right there, and then there's another right here. Take that off, and then boom, there's another T30 in there. The light quality is not that good, but boom. So boom, grab our torch. Grab it, our T30. So I know the video was telling me you gotta like yank it out because they got these little clips around the torque. There you go. Boom. That's one. Let's do the other side. The other side shouldn't be that bad. So. Alright. Boom. Okay. Probably got the same thing on this side. Boom. It's out though. It's out. So now that that's out, be able to take it off the airbag. First things first, before you do all of this, make sure your battery is unplugged. That is the main key. You don't want this airbag blowing up in your face. But boom. There go the airbag. That's why my damn horn wasn't working or anything. This damn plug wasn't even connected. Jeez, man. But yeah, here go the stock horn. Put that over here for right now. But this is a little clips I was talking about for that torque screw. See how it's on there? It's like a little clip, but got that off. So I know the main thing we gotta get off is this is already unplugged. We gotta get this little clip piece off, and then we gotta figure out what size nut that is. I'm pretty sure it's a 17, not a 19. So we're gonna see one of these work. Fit on there. Ugh. Nope. Try it again. It might be 11/16. 11/16. Nope. Try that again. What is this? 3/4. Boom. 3/4. Fit. Bing, 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 bing. Boom. What we gotta do is get this clip out. Now how the heck you get that out? Not sure. Y'all didn't hear that. Let me put y'all down real quick. Get back to y'all when I finish this. How to get this out. Okay, so we're back. We are back. I was able to get the plug out. So basically what you got to do was put another screw under, another flathead under while you pull this one out. So booyah. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna grab our 2/4, put this on the, if it would go on the impact, booyah. And we are going to loosen this jar. Oh, just like that. But don't want to take it completely off, because now the main part is we gotta like hit it off. Basically, you don't want to take this all the way off and then just try to yank the steering wheel off, because you're gonna hit yourself in the face. But at least leave the nut halfway on, and then watch. Halfway on, and then wiggle it. Try to get it loose at least. I don't think it's gonna. All right. So it's gonna take a little elbow grease. Get this motherfucker off. Oh, there we go. There we go. So boom. Now it's loose. You can take this off. You can take that off, put that somewhere where you don't want to lose this. I'm gonna put it up there, and then boom. Okay, move this wire. Then boom. Boom. Got that off. So this piece, you don't want to mess with this piece. This is your clock spring. It has to be upwards so you won't mess up. Where did it go? I take all my breath. So you don't want to mess up this piece. But we need this and this. And grab this. So we need all this right now. So that's what I was saying. That's what I like about this. It came with the little plug. So you can still have your horn and stuff. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom. All right. And then this. This is for like the airbag and stuff. I don't know which goes in which, so we're gonna yellow it for now. But I don't want it to blow up in my face. I'll get back to y'all real quick before I do this. So, all right. So we are back. So basically you just put the small ones in the small ones, I guess. The red ones in the red ones. If this don't work, then I don't know. I'm gonna just unplug it. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. See what's going on. Wrap it up with some electrical tape. So now what we're gonna do is, all right. So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put the hub on. We're gonna put this hub on. But as you see, it says, I don't know if you can see it, the quality, it says top. So the way you put this in, this is the top way. So what you want to do is,
you want to have this on the side, like that. And then have the wire of the horn.
It's in there. If I'm not mistaken. It's in there. Oh snap. Oh snap, it go down. Cover it like a dress. USDAristo. See, look. See how flush that is, then boom. Got the little horn wire. So now, we want to grab the nut. Put that back in there. Oh, we struggle to put that back in there. Actually, not less of a struggle. I'm gonna grab this socket real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna struggle with this for a little bit. There we go, hand tighten it from here. So we're gonna strip no threads. Boom, see? So at the top, it's center. As you can see, it's center. It's perfect right now. Boom. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make sure that's on there for right now. So we'll be good on that. You know what I'm talking about? And so now, we get to doing the fun part. We get to install the steering wheel. So let me take this horn out real quick. Break it. Oh, it's another clip. Hold on. What's that one? Boom. So that horn is out. Put that up. So now it's like that through there. And now we can just screw it on. So let me go grab the screws real quick. Boom. So they came with these black ones. I might change them out later for like different colored ones. But as of right now, these black ones are gonna do its justice. I was thinking about ordering at least like some gold or yellow ones, but we go see how these black look. I think the black will look cleaner for right now, so the black ones on. But yeah, so I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so boom, 6 of them, boom. Let's get to it. I just dropped one. Oh, there you go. Get away, my boy. Anyways, I'm gonna sit you guys back down right here. Watch this part. So boom. I at least want to get one on. I'll pick you guys back up. So. Just top one on. Put the bottom one on. As you see,
Got the top one on, got the bottom one on.
So boom, what I want to do now is I'm gonna plug the battery back up, and then I'm gonna install the horn. So once I install the horn, will be good to at least hear it if the horn actually works. So I'm gonna pop the hood, plug the battery back up, and I'll get back with y'all. All right guys, so I'm back. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten the center bolt a little bit up more, and then we're gonna add the horn. I already plugged the car back up, so all right, so I won't have a horn. I don't know why, but this thing's been tweaking on me, so just put everything back in there now. Won't move. Boom, boom. Where my keys at? Turn the car on. Snap, everything moving. All the good ones, man. But look. Airbag light is still on, so I gotta figure out what that is. But it feels way better now. Feels way better. Don't worry about that. I gotta fix all that. But overall, this thing feels amazing. amazing. It's a nice place. Really ain't got no gas to be driving all over the city. So we gonna see how this feels. How sturdy it is. Let's get into it. I probably need to get one of those what's that called? Y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and that'll be it for this video, really, until I come back with another piece of part. Well, really, the next thing that I'm doing is suspension, and I'm going to LA, so I won't have time to really do what I want to do to my car. I do gotta take it. I gotta take it to get an alignment. I'm going to Love Shop Auto in Fremont. I see they do really good work. But I got all my parts. I got everything that I need already for the next video. So the next video gonna be lit. This one was cool. This one was cool. So quick little install video. It looked good, feel good. I say it's a good bargain. I say for the hub I paid $120. For this I paid $70 for just the steering wheel, and then the little horn butt was like 12 bucks, but that's pretty much it. Other than that, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.